Tonight's event is National Night Out, and it's been rescheduled from August due to COVID-19, and we were able to work with many communities throughout Fairfax County to create a safe environment to social distance and to have fun in person. And tonight I got to go to different parts of Fairfax County, in Alexandria and Springfield in particular, and to see many different community members that I have made friends with over the years, especially with the officers who are highly engaged with our community.
We're at the Grove at Huntley Meadows, which is a beautiful community in Alexandria, Virginia. We have 285 homes here and townhomes, and we enjoy National Night Out every year. We love getting together as a community and doing activities, and it's a great chance for the kids to get to know the police. We're handing out ice cream because we always get the flavors the kids enjoy, and they come back usually for seconds and thirds. And so it's been very interesting. The kids love to get in the police cars, and it's just a good relationship builder.
On our Fairfax County Police Department website, you can find many different opportunities to engage with your police department. You can visit your district station and get informed on their calendar of what community events, especially virtual events, are happening with our community associations, our communities of trust, and other engagement opportunities with our outreach officers and station commanders in particular that have the geographic location in your specific community to talk about crime in our community, quality of life, and create more engagement opportunities, just like we have tonight for National Night Out, which is usually in August. Here it is almost Halloween in October, but this is terrific. We're all staying safe. On behalf of the women and men of the Fairfax County Police Department, we thank our community for expressing their support of the police department, especially in these trying times in our nation. Fairfax County is a great county, and it has a great police department with great spirit.